Alright, welcome back to another After Effects video. So let's set up some things to do with this. We've got a 5 second, we'll just use we'll do the 5 seconds. So what I'd like to do is set up, we want scale. So we'll start at scale 33, and this can be 100. Okay. We want rotation as well. So we'll start with 0. That's fine. And here we'll have 1080. So that's what it currently looks like. Alright, now there's also an effect I was going to try. So the scatter amount at the beginning will be 0 at 2. I'm not going to do it exactly. 230. The scatter is going to be 200. Here it's going to be 0. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to look at the graph situation. So we'll go into the graphs. Okay, so we look at the different graphs now. We can see the rotation is actually a horizontal line. And that's because I think it's going at the same velocity. So yeah, you can see that's because we've got the speed graph. We look at the value graph, then you see what you might expect to see. You can see it's just going upwards like that. All right, let me turn the scatter off actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click rotation. So we'll double click the scale keyframe. So double click the scale, and then what we're going to do, we'll shift, select that one, and there's also one down there as well. So now we've selected all the keyframes for both scale and rotation, and we can press F9 to easy ease it. All right, now we need to look at the scale and the scatter amount. So we're going to remove that and put that on. Let's actually just deselect that. Or I might just put a couple of middle ones in here as well. And we'll do one for rotation as well. So they all should be, if we take a look now, they should all be, yeah, they are. All right, so we want to make sure now that we're going to have the middle peak at the same point as the middle here. Now we need the scatter to be highest when it's at the highest velocity. It'll probably have a better effect if I put on more rotations actually. Let me just go here. Let's double that. Let's go down to a third maybe. Yeah, that looks better, right? That looks much better actually. So I think that's probably going to be the finished I mean, this has really been a lot of fun, this one.